Hey guys, quick update here from Kathmandu. Got the cylinders back from the machinist. They're nice, in good shape. Put them back together. New pistons, new rings in Kathmandu. So yeah, we're gonna put this together tonight and hopefully get it running here right away. Woohoo! Digit 9! This is what it's all about, kids. I got the kitty running. Put the motor in yesterday, got everything running. She's purring along pretty darn good. A little too good. The snow out here is like super duper deep. Like, way deep. And I got stuck.
Hey, you fuckers.
So I'm just having a break. Having a beer. Do a little more shoveling. Then we're good. Living the dream, baby. Running pretty good. Had on the snow for a couple of days, 3 days. Running hard, running steady. Lots of power. So things are working really good. As y'all know, I got new case halves and just used the old cylinders, new pistons and rings. Seems to be working quite well. Threw in some new springs in the primary and secondary. Cleaned things up. So for all you guys out there, now I got the cat going. I'm going to do a quick compression here right away and show you some differences between open throttle, closed throttle, doing stuff like that. Had a couple viewers asking about the differences in compression, how to test it and stuff. It's not hard. We're going to do a quick one here and I'll get that off to you guys right away. Again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all the support. Talk to you later. Bye.